Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with KnowledgeHut.
Hello and welcome to KnowledgeHut. Are you trying to figure out a way to start preparing for your PMP exam? Do not worry. This video will guide you with 6 best practices that you should adopt while preparing for your PMP exam. So let us begin. Step 1. Review the PMP examination content outline. The PMP examination content outline is an important document which will help you to do well in your exam. You should go through this document, which is published by PMI. You can find the link in this document in the description. Going through this credible document will give you a high-level idea of what will get covered in the PMP exam. Step 2. Take up a formal study course offered by any accredited registered education provider. The Project Management Institute, or PMI, has approved a few organizations to offer project management training to help all the PMP aspirants and credential holders. Enrolling yourself in a PMP training course is one of the best ways to prepare for your certification exam. These courses provide tailor-made PMP study materials and best practices to give you a quick start in getting a grasp of various project management concepts, formula, terminology, and other key inputs. You can also get the 35 Contact Hour certificate by taking up these training courses, which is necessary for you to be eligible for the PMP exam. Step 3. Come up with a study plan. You should start treating your PMP certification as a project and prepare a plan which covers all the activities that would help you to get certified. You should break your study sessions into smaller chunks and prepare a study plan which includes timelines to read PMBOK, practice mock tests, study various materials, etc. Step 4. Review the latest edition of PMBOK guide and self-study books published by other reputable training organizations. No matter whatever reference material you want to study in order to prepare for your PMP exam, the PMBOK guide is the recommended study material for all the PMP aspirants. The 61st page of the guide contains a table that shows the relation between 13 knowledge areas and 5 process groups with 47 processes. It further explains how these are applicable to project management. As a candidate, you should be thorough with this table. It can also be used as a reference in answering the 200 exam questions. Other than the PMBOK guide, you can also review other study guides published by REPs and other reputable training organizations. Step 5. Practicing mock tests. You should check the status of your PMP certification exam preparation. You can do that by taking mock tests. These can help you to map the gaps in your project management knowledge. You can take a test and review the results to find areas that you need to work on. You can find the link to our mock test in the description. Step 6. Study in groups. Studying in a group can prove to be quite helpful while you're preparing for your exam. Catch up with the like-minded PMP aspirants to know about new tactics and get benefit in other ways by being a part of the study group. So these were some tips to prepare you for your PMP exam. Apply them to ensure your success, and don't forget to subscribe to KnowledgeHut.